What's going on, everybody? This is Puro and Cien Garza, keeping it purely 100 on another episode of Two Bros, One Slice. We're doing Assembly Brewing, that is Detroit-style pizza, in Pizza Week 2025 in Portland, Oregon. So let's see if Assembly Brewing stood on business or if y'all should mind your business. All right, so let's see if Assembly Brewing stood on business or should y'all mind your business. Pizza Week. It stood on business, but Wild Child was better. I give it a solid 7.9.
Let's see what the fuck we got going on. I don't know, man. That's pretty good. I give that an 8.2.